Hello guys, are you looking to monetize your website or traffic, or you are looking to advertise your product to reach a wider audience? Then this platform that I'm going to introduce you to is for you. Stay with me as we sail through the tutorial, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel Tech with NiiNana and hit the like button. Ezmob is a platform where you can advertise your brand or products, and you can also make money by monetizing your website or any other traffic. You can access the platform by logging into their website www.ezmob.com, or you can Google Ezmob. Let's click on advertiser registration, as that is what we are registering for. Follow attentively. And now yes, this is the page where we start the process. You enter a suitable username, and then you move on to add your email. Yes, your email. Then you continue with your first and last name, as you see me doing now. From there, you can decide to add your Skype account or not, and then input a suitable password as usual. You make sure that both passwords are the same. Then you check the box. You accept the terms and conditions. From there, you can hit register. Then we are good to go. Now the account has been created, and we have been directed to check the email for confirmation. So that is what I am going to do now. I open the mail received and click the link in the mail just to confirm the account. So we get redirected. Here, you would have to enter the username and password and confirm that you are not a robot. Then you log in to confirm account creation. Yes. So once it's able to log in, the account has been confirmed or created successfully. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel Tech with NiiNana for more. See you soon.